throw his body away. No! Yeah.
Better not.
Is there anything left in the bag, Bubs?
Well, yeah.
I thought I threw
Like, I don't think I threw it away.
Welcome to Outside the Box.
Hey guys, and welcome to our channel Outside the Box. And for our first video, we've got our 12-pack of Treasure X Monster Edition, Monster Gold. Are you excited?
Yeah.
I'm excited. What do you want to tell us a little bit about this? Actually, I should introduce my family, right?
Sure.
Guys, I'm Harlan. This is Will and Weston, and we're going to open up this 12-pack of the Treasure X Monster Gold. So why don't you tell us a little bit about this, Will?
So these are made by a toy company called Moose, and they make a lot of different toys. And these are like, they're kind of like those things where you dig and you get a chance to get like a piece of gold. But there's a figure collected, as you can see right here in the front of the box. You have the ultra rare figure, Bling Blink, and there is also real gold. Treasure.
In one of these, you could find real gold?
Yeah.
It's pretty enticing.
And it says there's like a 1 in 12 chance.
So what's going on in this box? I'm trying to see. Is this one of the characters here on the front?
Yeah, so this, I know who he is. This guy is Gold Jack.
Gold Jack?
And I also know who this is. This is Gold Scale. These are only 2 of the 12 characters. And then obviously you have your ultra Bling Blink on top.
There's 8 reasons what you should do in this.
There's 8 levels of Adventure Fun.
Oh, right. 8 levels of Adventure Fun. Well, hey, I think we should start our adventure. What do you say?
Okay.
So how do you want to do this, guys? Do you want to open, Wes, do you want to open the first one?
Yeah.
All right, well, let's see what you got. Here, we're probably going to need some kind of scissors to open this.
Here, I'll just...
No, you're just going to manhandle it. Okay. That's the way to do it. Take no prisoners here. Oh, be careful, man. They do say safety scissors, but I don't know how safe they are. Want me to help you? Let me help you. I'll get the package open. You can look at it. Look at that.
Okay.
Go to town, bud.
So look, as you can see from looking at the coffin, it looks like there's bolts and there's slime pouring out. Once he gets it out, you probably want to see a little bit better. Here, give me that. Here. So this is the map.
You guys can see there's some stuff getting out of it.
And so there's a front
Oh,
and
that's
a back
cool.
to the map.
That slime coming out of
One
it.
side is your character. So it looks like you got Gold Jack, Bling Blink, Gold Scale, Gold Snot, Invisibling, Stakeout, Transparent Glow in the Dark Finish, Gold-Lash, Goldator, Blade Spin, High Viper, Goldilocks, and Tentagold with a marble finish. And then on this side are your treasures. So looks like you got the glow in the dark vampire juice, the rare gold dip treasure, which is the bling back spider, and glow in the dark zombie fly, tombstone of doom, cursed candle, X-Fin soda, Pop Goes the Evil, hooked eye, Drax dentures, wolf wiener, monster brew, bat idol, and fishing nets.
And what, this is a gold dip one right here?
Yep.
So that's what we're looking for?
Yeah, that's what you want.
Okay, I'm gonna open the...
We're gonna open it? Okay, that looks kind of squishy, man. What do you
Yeah, it's squishy.
I'm pretty sure there's supposed to be spider
is
webs.
that spider web?
Oh, it's gold. I think it's gold. Oh, that's the treasure. That's the treasure.
Oh, so
Oh, it's the green dude. Who's the slime dude?
cool. All right, so we got Gold Snot.
Ooh, let's see.
He
Open
is
this up for you.
super cool. This dude, it does not say on here, but I found out that this dude also glows in the dark.
Look at that. He looks like a booger head.
Close up of that.
Let's see this one.
Looks like a booger.
You get that out there.
Oh my goodness.
That is the treasure, which is Drax dentures.
Oh, this stuff, it's like little
Yeah, it's like
foam,
kind of
styrofoam
slime.
beads. What is
Oh,
this
there's
treasure?
one on it.
Look at that treasure. You gotta really clean that thing off.
Look at this weirdo. And also, there's like an eye here. I think there's an eye on the bottom.
There's an eye. What's that? Okay, we're gonna have to clean this thing off because this stuff is kind of sticky.
Yeah, guys, you're
Get
probably
in
gonna
there.
want
We're
to
gonna need
need.
like a.
You're probably gonna want to need a paper, like something under it.
Or you can use the
As you can see,
packaging
there's
to
the
help
other
you.
eye, and there's an eye on top of his head, which is weird. So this is gold snot. So you're gonna put gold snot together.
That guy looks like a booger.
Yeah. And then you have gold snot. Looks like there's a gold bar right there. That's
That
really
is cool.
cool. All right, let's set him over to the side.
And this stuff, oh man, that feels kind of cool. What do you think?
Well, you want to open the second one?
It's not like a.
Here, guys, how about we open all now?
I'm gonna open one, and Dad will open one.
No,
You
but
can get one to hold, but let's open one at a time, okay?
okay.
Okay. So,
Dad, you can go one too.
Do I get to open one? You guys are gonna let me open one?
Yeah.
here, Dad, where's the
Nice.
scissors?
Over there. I'll wait because I want to see what you
I'll
get.
make sure I can like.
I'm really excited to see if we get a piece of gold.
I know that's good.
Yeah, I'm lucky. I'm glad I got this dude for the first time. This
Are
dude
you?
I've been wanting.
You've been wanting that guy?
Yeah. Yeah.
We might have to get some of this trash off the
They
table
packed
here.
this so tight.
Dad, forget me.
Okay, there's another map.
That's it.
Here's the map if anyone wants to see.
All right, so right now we have what's his name? Gold Snot.
Yes.
So she
we
has
have
gold
a-
right there, guys.
Okay.
Ah, it's that gold.
So it looks like there's like spiders, but they're like excellent.
I think this is bling blink right here.
I think that's
Ultra rare right here.
hopefully, but it's hard
I
to
don't know if
tell.
Bling Bling's not real.
All right, I want to
I
get.
don't know.
I want to
It's
get
pretty
Gold
rare
Lash.
here.
Gold Lash is really cool. Oh. Okay, this is the guy on the box. Gold Jack.
Gold Jack.
He is super cool.
Oh wow, that is cool.
I have not found.
It's a pumpkin head.
It's not the gold treasure, but it is treasure. Oh, I already know what it is. It's
We put that in the trash.
it is the cursed candle.
Well, that came out a lot easier than that one.
We'll probably
You don't
need
have
to
really
wash that
any,
off. But
any stuff on it.
this slime just feels weird. It's like beef.
It's like little tiny styrofoam balls.
All right, now let's open him up and
Yeah,
build him.
Thank you, bud. I'm gonna get to it. Don't worry, I will open it. I won't let you down.
And that-
Okay, there's his treasure. And Will, you gonna put them together?
Yep.
Nice. I can open this one like really cleanly, you know, like collector edition style. I don't know if it'll let me.
Yeah, it doesn't
They are harder. Now let me put this guy over here with all of our other characters. I think that out of my favorites is Gold Snot and Gold Lash. Those are my top favorite characters.
Yeah, that ain't happening, guys. I was close, but
Guys, they say that this dude doesn't glow in the dark, but he really does. It's
Yeah.
weird.
going for it. Tell you what, these coffins are really cool.
So far, we already have 2 maps.
That is really cool. Nice little detail. The face on here, the spiders,
Look,
the
even in the
slime.
middle, it says TX or Treasure X.
Treasure X.
And it looks like there's fangs.
And even the packaging on the bag, you've got spider
Spider?
webs and spiders. I mean, that's little attention to detail that you don't always see in products, especially kids' toys. Let's see. Oh man, what is
You
that?
got Tentacle with the marble finish.
Tentacle with the marble finish. What do you mean the marble finish?
Guys,
Look, it
Dad
says-
got this dude right here.
It says marble finish.
Oh,
He's marble.
oh
Well,
that's
not
cool. Wait, is there treasure in here?
Yeah, this should be here. I'll find it.
Find that treasure.
Oh,
I'll
found
look
it.
this up.
Okay, it's not
Is
the
it
gold.
gold?
Nope. But it is another. It's Oh, I haven't seen this one. This is the weird brew thing. What's this guy on the brew? Turn it over. Can we just put like?
That is really cool. This is really cool. Ooh, wow, he has like wings.
I know. It's like weird.
Glow in the dark. Glow in the
No, it's a glow in the dark monster brew. Okay.
That is
Simple
nice.
name. There is the treasure,
Dad, this is glow in the dark.
and there is our tentacle.
Into gold.
Cool. Okay, so guys, we have
All right, what
3
do we?
more right here. So let's each give one.
Guys, it's mine.
Yeah. So here's Weston. Weston.
Weston's got his. He's gonna open his
Here's
now.
yours. And I'll take it.
All right, I like it.
And we also have a few more.
That.
12 monsters. Okay, so we have 3 out of.
I'm expecting some gold here, guys. There's gotta be some.
There's gotta be some gold in this.
This one seems a little.
Look, there's like
This one seems a
chains
little-
on the back.
Well, I got the one with the different thing.
Cool. So
So that's a lucky chance of getting gold, Dad.
Well,
Oh, I see what you're saying.
sometimes they have different serial numbers.
Show us.
Show us the different serial
Well,
number.
There's serial numbers, and sometimes one of them is unique.
Yeah, I think I got the
It might not be the unique one. It's hard to tell because it kind of ripped the box. But we saw the end of it, so it could be unique.
It was 4, and it's not supposed to be 4. What
This
is
one's
it?
the same.
Right there, buddy. Ready for you.
This one might be that.
So do you store these guys in these coffins when you're not playing?
Yeah, you can put them in, slime back in, whatever you want. So
You know, the cool thing is the slime doesn't really stick to them,
I
which
know.
is nice.
Also, in other series, water. If you have super slime, the water they make.
Oh, I got the
slime.
golden.
You got. I have it right here. You got Goldator.
Goldator.
He's a minotaur. Looks like a mohawk.
You've got a mohawk, you've got a golden nose ring.
And yeah,
Ooh, that's cool.
you know what?
guys.
Look, if you look at it,
What's your treasure? You got gold?
here, Mom. If you look at it, his legs look the exact same as this guy's. Did you ever notice that? This dude's legs are the same thing as this, except these ones are gold.
I got a hot
Oh,
dog.
wow, you're
Guys, I
right.
got the hot dog.
The wolf
You
wiener.
got the wolf wiener?
The wolf wiener.
The wolf wiener.
There's a.
There's. Oh, it's
I mean, that kind of makes sense.
I guess I don't know. Bulls eat
Got the
wolves,
video.
but
They make them in a basket.
Let me put this on. Oh, he's got a gold belt buckle. Look at that.
Cool.
A rodeo belt
it
buckle.
might be harder to make him stand up. The dude's like foot might be off. I don't know. Did you get his help?
Get it? Need some help, bub?
That gold's not, dude.
All right.
Snap.
Get him.
He's hard to get skinned, guys.
That is cool.
Goldator. Alright, can you open yours? Mine?
All right, well, let's open it. Let's see what you got. What's this? Number 5? Number
Need the
5 is
gold.
12.
We need the
We
gold.
need the gold. We need gold. We need bling bling. And we need gold dip treasure.
Okay, this is bling bling.
Leaf fall.
This needs. If I get bling bling, that'd be awesome.
The suspense is killing me, bud. Come on. Come on.
So hard.
It's just.
Way better than this.
Open.
Fingers crossed for gold.
Shame on you.
Come on.
Come out.
We got our card. Love it. That's what we want right there.
Gold.
Gold. Alright, let's see. We're gonna move our coffin.
We didn't really get gold.
Line up here. What do you think? Now, is there a possibility we could get a duplicate?
Yeah.
Okay. Just want to make sure.
2 gold.
You could get duplicates. I got bling bling.
You got bling bling?
Yeah. Oh,
Oh, you got ultra rare, right? Ultra rare?
yeah.
Is that what it says? Let's see. Wes, open that guy. Can you get that one open? Oh, you're just going at it. Did you see the treasure?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's not the gold. It's the extra soda. That's nice. It didn't stick to the table.
Oh, is it
this
heavy?
is heavy.
Is it heavy?
This is heavy.
Could it be the gold, guys? That'd be awesome. See, his feet look exactly the same as the Minotaur's feet. Okay, guys, there is our ultra rare gold finished character.
Bling bling. All right, Wes, what you got, buddy?
Here, I'll put this one over so you can see. There's your treasure.
Oh,
this
this
is what we
What
want.
are you looking
No,
at?
this is a different number. This is a different number, it says on the
Okay, but it might not be. You might not get this. Sometimes it doesn't
I
work.
don't know. He's got good eyes.
I hope it's
Oh, came
gold lash.
out.
I hope it's gold lash, honestly. Gold lash. He's like a ghost. And or bling spin. He's happy.
They are cool. These are really cool.
What is another
I like these. It's anticipation. Just knowing what you're going to get. What do you think? The odds are we get something different.
red?
Guys, got invisible.
Nice. Okay.
Invisibling.
He
Nice.
is very cool.
Wait, oh, I didn't get gold. No.
Oh, we were close.
Okay.
We were close.
It's okay though. We got y'all trade.
Nice.
Oh,
All right. Let's see Invisibling. Oh man, he's like. He is hard
Look,
to
it's
see.
so like yeah, this one's hard to see. Like you can't see him. He's like the
Yeah.
same color as the
When
What
I
is
saw
that?
the brown,
This is I know what this is. This is the bat.
when I saw the brown, I thought
Kind
it
of
was
looks like
this
a
thing.
fat cat.
When I
Doesn't really
saw
look like a bat. but-
when I saw the brown, I thought it was this thing.
You thought? Oh, we got another
Yeah, I thought we
That
did.
Goldator or whatever. Goldator.
Yeah, I thought we got another Goldator, but we didn't. We got.
What do we get? We got Invisibling.
Yeah, maybe his pants are cool.
He's really cool,
Invisibling
guys.
thing.
He's going to the beach today.
Does he have
He's gonna
bling
He's
on?
got like a margarita.
Does he have? He has a margarita.
Yeah, look at him. He's got like a cup.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, you got the cat.
Nice.
Oh, that is awesome, guys. So how many have we opened?
6 so far.
6 so far. Okay, so I know we bought 12. We've got a whole case. We've opened 6. What do you guys think about giving one of these away?
I think we should give away golden.
The ultra rare.
Yeah.
You want to do that, Wes?
Yeah.
All right. So how do we want to do this, guys? What we're gonna do is we're gonna give away one of these, and I think the boys, Will and Wes, have picked Bling Blink ultra rare golden one. We're giving them away for free, shipped to you. If you like, subscribe to our video, you will be entered into a contest to win this. We've only opened 6 so far. We're going to go ahead on the next video and open the remainder of our 12-pack, and then we'll have all 12 of them, and we'll see if we can get that gold, because we're really trying to find that gold treasure. Hopefully we find it, and please stay tuned. Guys, you want to say anything?
I got a comment below to be entered to win.
Yeah.
Comment
guys,
below to
comment
be entered to
below.
win. That's why I'm
Click
married
right
to her.
there, even though there's nothing right there.